Scots. I'm Ian.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Lee.
Seniors, if you're going to grad night, Thursday is the day you must report to the gym. Report to the gym at 12 p.m. for a security check. You must have your ID to board the bus that day. No exceptions. Senior ID is allowed though. Please check the bus list on the activities/athletics office door for bus assignments and student expectations.
Attention Plaidtastic students, if you have purchased any Plaid rewards through Student View, please come to the athletics and activities office during your lunch to pick it up. Also, if you have a lot of Plaid points saved up, be sure to spend them before the end of the year. They don't roll over, so you won't have any next year.
Yep. Hey seniors, yearbooks are here.
Woo!
If you bought a yearbook, you could pick it up in the cafeteria Wednesday, May 24th after school. You will need your ID to pick up your yearbook, and no yearbooks will be available for purchase at distribution as they are sold out.
Here are some important dates for seniors.
May 24th, the senior finals.
May 25th, grad night.
May 26th, senior checkout.
Woo! May 29th, Memorial Day holiday.
May 30, senior breakfast and sunset.
May 31st, final checkout. Make sure to get your pictures and your swag.
Woohoo! June 1st, graduation rehearsal and graduation.
Yippee!
Remember to listen up to announcements during second period for any updates.
Plus, start using your Plaid points before the school year ends. Have a great day.
And remember to Plaid up!